With the early snowmelt in the Colorado Rockies, this turned out to be a great time to pack up the camera gear and head into the backcountry to try and capture some amazing landscape photography. Well, good thing about a early snow melt, opens up the backcountry here in Colorado. Decided to take this back road and go up to the summit. Now I'm hiking up to this viewpoint. My hope is to capture a pretty sweet time lapse and plus a good sunset. So I'm literally dragging 2 cameras along with me, plus the GoPro. Definitely a beautiful evening. Moon is going to be rising probably right after sunset. So anyways, I'll see where this trail leads me, and I think I'm in for just an amazing evening here. Should be a good one. One thing about hiking over 12,000 feet elevation, you just gasp for air up here. Getting my butt totally handed to me right now. So I decided to call it right here. Looks like a good location. Pretty much around the corner is just a wall of snow, and I don't feel like going waist deep in snow right now. The composition here looks really good. Has some really cool looking old trees, and so I'm gonna set up both cameras. Got a real short window to work with, so I need to get busting butt. But my God, it is beautiful up here right now. Loving it. Boy, this has turned into a picture-perfect evening. I almost didn't come out here, and now I'm really glad I did. The views up here are just unbelievable. was one amazing sunset. Well, it's time to pack up the gear and hightail it out of here. I got a little bit of a trek before it gets dark here. Thanks for coming along on the adventure, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.